In this video, I'll show you how to calculate ROAS in Google Looker Studio so you can measure how effectively your ad spend is generating revenue. ROAS, or return on ad spend, is calculated by dividing revenue by cost, and it's a key metric for evaluating campaign performance. To begin, open your report and make sure your data source includes both revenue and cost fields. Next, select a table or chart where you want ROAS to appear, then go to the Properties panel on the right. In the Metrics section, click Add Calculated Field to open the formula editor. Give your field a clear name like ROAS and set the data type to number. In the formula box, enter your revenue field divided by your cost field using the correct field names from your data source. After applying the formula, ROAS will appear as a new metric in your table. Keep in mind that division by zero may cause errors, so review your data accordingly. Subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials.